In this video, we're making dry fried chicken and leeks. It's 10 net carbs per serving and deliciously worth it. Pause here for the list of everything you need. You can also find the list in the description of this video and at ketoshow.org. First, you want to heat the oil in your wok or stir fry pan until it's smoking hot. Now add the bite-sized pieces of chicken and stir fry. On an average stove, this takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Theoretically, if you had a proper wok burner, this would only take about 4 to 6 minutes, but not everyone does. The goal is to remove as much of the water content as possible. This could also be done by deep frying the chicken, but that would significantly increase the amount of oil you would need. Now turn the heat down to medium and mix in the chiles and Sichuan peppercorns. Next, add the chili bean paste and keep stirring. Now you're going to add the soy sauce and the rice wine, and you can also add a little bit of salt here if you like things on the saltier side. So stir it over a medium heat for another 5 minutes to evaporate some of the liquids you just added. And this is also going to allow the chicken to crisp up a little bit more. We're almost done. Now it's time to add the leeks and stir fry for another minute or two until they're tender. Remove it from the heat and serve. This goes great over garlic cauliflower rice, or you can pack it away for your lunches throughout the week. There are substitutions that will lower the carb count, and you can find out more about that on my blog. Be sure to subscribe, and if you want more low-carb recipes, check out ketoshow.org. You can also follow me on Instagram at KateAnnKeto.